Hey guys, here it is. Been waiting almost a year for this. She's pretty rough, but she's pretty. Look at that, it's just worn away. It's worn away good. So I've just picked it up today and I haven't done a single thing to it, but I'm about to hit it with the water blaster, and I've got 6 cans of degreaser. But just look at it, it's so loved. That is elbow, the driver's elbow wearing away, and that's elbow grease. The inside is a bit tragic, but it's what we knew. I'll put new seats in there. I was going to strip out the entire interior and put some thermal insulation in there. I'm going to remove the dashboard and I'm not going to put it back. It's going to have no dash. And I'm going to take the door panels off and leave them off. And it's freaking hot in here. So I'm going to get I've already got it priced up. I'm going to get a under dash air conditioner and get that set up in it. But as far as the paint is concerned, I ain't touching it. It's not getting painted, it's staying like that. So I'm just going to give it a real good wash. Inside and out and underneath. And I'm going to buff some of that rust back a little bit, but I'm going to leave it. I want it to look like this, but I don't want it to look like that orange. I've already set up to get a whole set of new door rubbers, window rubbers, all that kind of stuff. Don't know where I get seats from, but I don't care. I'm going to take the ball bar off and I'm going to cut it down a little bit and shift it back because it's just a monster. It actually looks really cool, I reckon, but it's just too much. And what else? It's got 5 brand new tyres. They're dirty. It's just had $9,000 spent on it. Well, PNG bucks, so that's about 3,200 Australia. Everything works, but it's not happy. It's overheating and it's got issues, but I don't care. I've got all the time in the world. I'll work it out. I've got some thermal tint for the windows. I'm going to tint the front window light and the rest of them half. And that's it. That's my bugger up. This was actually the original bugger up. My motorbike was named after this. Well, you know what I mean. And maybe if I end up keeping it, I might look at buying a V8 engine from Australia and putting that in it, but don't really care. I'm also going to lower it down a little bit. I'm going to take the suspension out, flatten it and put it back in, which kind of opens a can of worms, but I won't open that can unless I can be bothered. So I'm just going to hit it with the water blaster, give it a big clean, and that's it. It's on. One more thing. You got to see under the bonnet, man. Now I meant to say I mentioned the elbow. The car actually belonged to a business, and they sell lunch and sausage to the supermarkets. And this car has been driven Monday to Friday since it was brand new in 1996 by the same old Papua New Guinean fella called John. He drove it every weekday, and then it was parked on the weekends. So that's why it's so rusty and sun damage, because it's just literally been sitting in, look at that, it's been sitting in the car park at at their premises day in, day out for 25 years. She's pretty shabby, bro, but I don't care. I'm gonna give it a big clean, give it a bit of love. Got a lot of things I've got to do under here. And so it begins. I'll keep you posted. Hey, I got to show you this. I was just about to pull this off to strip out the seat, but I might have to leave it because it's been carefully packed with rice bags and cardboard boxes, and I'm sure that's been done for a reason. Oh baby.